In this video, we will go over the essential documents you need to bring to your US naturalization interview. My name is Slava. Our company, Online Immigration School Our America, have prepared over 5,000 students, green card holders that became United States citizens with us after passing the US naturalization interview. And there are only two most important things that you need to do before you actually go for the interview. And that's first, prepare for the interview and prepare your documents. So in this video right now, we will review the 12 most important documents for your US citizenship interview. First is your citizenship interview notification. The first document you need is your interview notification form. This is going to be either the I-797C notice of action, which you received by mail, or a printed copy of your biometrics and interview notice from USCIS website from your online account, if you don't have the physical letter. This form is your confirmation that you have been invited to the citizenship interview, so keep it safe and bring it with you. Second is, of course, your green card, regardless of the type of the green card, whether that's the 2-year first green card that you have, or the 10-year extended green card, or even the paper document that confirms your extension. Make sure to bring all your green card related documents with you to the interview. Then you need to bring your passports. Bring all valid and expired passports that you have used, including the ones that from your country and the travel documents provided by the United States. Number 4, your state-issued identification. So this includes your state ID, your driver's license. These documents prove your physical presence and residency in the United States in a particular state. Number 5 is your selective service registration. This is only for males aged from 18 to 26 years old. If you lived in the United States between your age of 18 and 26, you must bring the proof of your selective service registration. You can obtain it from your selective service website if you need to. Number 6, what you need to bring for your interview is tax transcripts, depending on your category, right? If it's a 3-year rule, like a marriage-based green card, bring your tax transcripts for 3 years. If it's a 5-year rule, when it's all the other green cards, you need to bring your tax transcripts for the last 5 years. You can download these forms from the IRS website. If you have IRS payment plans, bring the proof of those as well. You can also request it from your accountant that helped you with the taxes that year. Number 7, proof of your name change if applicable. So if you changed your name through marriage, court order, or any other legal process, bring the legal proof of the name change. So this can be a court order, this can be a marriage certificate, a naturalization document with your new name. Number 8, birth certificates of your children, regardless of their age and where they live. Bring certificates, birth certificates of all your children, including adopted children and stepchildren. If your child has passed away, bring the death certificate as well. Number 9, the card document. If you ever been arrested, detained, or had any other legal violations, bring the certificate of court disposition for every incident. Even if the case was dismissed or happened decades ago, you must provide the proof. Number 10, proof of marriage and financial stability. This is only for marriage-based applications. To prove that your marriage is genuine, bring the joint bank statements, health insurance with both spouses' names on it, utility bills listing both spouses, mortgage or rental agreements with both names on it, spouses, birth certificate or naturalization certificate, and all the joint tax returns that you have. Number 11, very important, if you have any traffic tickets or fines, you should bring any fines or tickets, the proof that you have paid them. So you can obtain the proof of payment from your bank statements, from your email confirmations, and from the local DMV records. Number 12 is military service documents, if it's applicable to you. If you served in the military, US or another country, bring your military ID, your service records, your DD-214 for US military veterans. If you volunteered for US military, bring a letter of recommendation and documentation proving your service. And the last, of course, after the 12 most important things, you must not forget about your Form N400. Bring a handwritten, signed copy of your N400 application form, even if you submitted it online through a USCIS online account. If any information has changed since you applied, bring an updated form with your separate page listing the changes. Changes could include a new address, a new job, marriage or divorce, a new child. It could also be a new international trip that you had since you applied for citizenship, or a new traffic violation. Okay, final preparation tips. Number one, make copies of all your documents. Organize them neatly in a folder. Highlight important details on the documents. Be ready to answer questions clearly and confidently. And don't forget that all your supporting documents must be translated into the English language. You can't just give the immigration officer the original documents if it's in a foreign language and he or she will not understand it. We prepared a special checklist with all the documents for you. So everything that we just discussed in a video is going to be lined up in one checklist. In the description to this video, you're going to be able to download that checklist with all the essential documents that you need for your US naturalization interview. If you have any questions, if you would like to prepare for the interview, go through a mock interview or do a consultation, you're going to have the helpful links below to get in touch with us. Remember, the officer, USCIS officers, like well-prepared applicants. So take the time, prepare your documents, prepare for the interview. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. All of our contact information is going to be below this video in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you found it helpful. Share it with anybody who's also preparing to become a US citizen right now. And good luck on your US naturalization interview. God bless America.